Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of my lifestyle transformation challenge. I started my morning with 10 minutes of meditation affirmations just to center my thoughts for the day. Then I had my warm water with lemon and chia seeds, and after about 15 minutes, I made a smoothie with oats, chia seeds, nuts, banana, and a little coffee powder. That was my breakfast. For lunch, I had one pulka with paneer curry and cucumbers, and later I sipped on buttermilk with chia seeds. Around 3 pm, I ate one guava, and at 5, I had a small bowl of roasted makana and a cup of coffee with milk and sugar. In the evening, I did a 37-minute HIIT dance workout following a burpee girl routine. It was intense but felt amazing. For dinner, I had 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg omelette with spinach, onions, capsicum, and chilies, along with some steamed broccoli and beans on the side. I ended my day with 11,300 steps, felt light, strong, and super proud.